Hello and welcome. This is Davide, the founder and developer of Aesthetics, and today I will walk through the use of this app. But before, let me start with the reason why this app exists. Okay, as an entrepreneur, you should focus on growing your company, on growing your e-commerce, in actually implementing your vision rather than selecting picture and make people aware that your company exists. Okay, this is something that can be done with a scientific way, so there is no doubt that it will works using AI. And that is the simple reason why aesthetics has been created and it works. Okay, so you don't lose your time in selecting your picture among your photo shoot that your photographer has done it. You can leave the app doing everything. Now, let's get started to see how it works. I will make myself a little bit smaller and here. So, the first things you see when you land on the website is the landing page. You can scroll it and see all the information, why it works, the other stuff, some case study. But in order to unlock the actual app, you have to sign up, and there is a button over here, and you have to buy credits. So once you click on buy credits, there are three type of pack that I've created. 90% of the case will be completely covered with the Grow pack, but feel free to use the starter pack. While if you are more interested in having the cheapest offer over here, there is the business pack. You are free to use it. Okay, so once you buy it and it is backed up by Stripe, so your money are secured. This dashboard button is unlocked, so you can get in and start working with the AI. So there is a blue button which is the upload new picture. Here you can upload the entire photo shoot. So you do add photo. Here there are some picture that I prepared for you. We'll upload only this one. The other two I will leave it for later. And you have a preview. And as soon as you play upload, you will get charged 1 credit per picture because all of them will be ranked according to some AI system that I'm going to explain. So we upload all of them. It will take few seconds, but make sure that your picture are either JPEG, JPG, or PNG. Other formats are not currently supported. Okay. So once those are uploaded, you will see this number over here in dark blue, violet. The higher the number, the more aesthetics is the picture. This means the aesthetic definition is not something that is abstract. This means that people scrolling on Instagram have more chance, more possibility to stop scrolling and look at your picture. So the higher the number, the higher is this possibility. That's how the model behind my product has been trained. Okay, this is the reason of the number. So you should avoid, let's say, the one that have some negative number and one that are close to zero, which are completely indifferent from people. And this also have some surprising results because this one over here on the right, you see, have a 4.59 in terms of aesthetics, even though it's colorful, is full of details. It shows also the brand, let's say, which is one of my friend brand, but compared to the other two, especially to the one on the left, it is not so good for the social media. Okay, so if you have to choose one, it's better to choose the first one and then the second, and as a third option you will choose this. Okay, and there is actually a case study that will show you that if you select based on this aesthetic score, you will also be selecting on how this picture will be liked. Okay, and to see this case study that I've done with my friend on his e-commerce, you can go on the landing page, so click on aesthetics, scrolls down, and here is the case study based on real data. So this one has ranked 4.59, so 4.6, okay, which was the best performing photo for them. and it got 60 like. This is a small page, okay? It's a new e-commerce, so it makes sense that we don't have such an engagement. But here is the magic. So this one, which was selected as highest, got 60 like. This one, which was selected as the third one, let's say with a minus number, it is minus 14, got 0 likes. And this other one, which was selected as a second, as a minus 7.6, got 22 likes. So as you can see, the score also reflect in the number of likes and the number of engagement that those pictures have gotten. Okay, so this is just to tell you how this works. Once you have your ranking, you can choose your picture based on this ranking, and the best one, or all of them if you want it, can have captions. In order to have captions, you need to fill up these 2-3 inputs. So I need to know, not me actually, the model needs to know what is your market niche. So in this case, for example, it's clear it is a streetwear shop. So we will put here, as in the example, streetwear shop, or shop, whatever. Then I need to know the language that you speak, not yourself, your audience language. So if it is an Italian, like in my case, if it is English, French, Chinese, whatever. And then your target audience, meaning to whom you are speaking, to teenagers, to young adults, 20 years old, whatever. You can put here whatever you want. So let's put 20-ish years old, something like that. And then on your best performing picture, or whatever you like, you can click the generate caption. So it will take a few seconds, because how this works, it has an LLM, multimodal actually, LLM behind the scene, that will take the picture and according to your input will generate the captioning over here. So streetwear vibes on points, the looks merge comfort and street effortlessly, yes. Statement shades and all this stuff. It has also every time some call to action that you can personalize, of course, but it will come with every time with some call to action, as well as with some hashtag suggestion, which are based on what you are looking for here. If you don't like it and you want more, you can always regenerate it. Remember that when you generate caption, you get charged 1 credit. So 1 credit for the picture, 1 credit for its generation. Okay. So as you can see, it changed completely. So you can do this as many times as you want. You can do for all the picture that you want. There is no problem in that. So, and the good thing, I said to you that this is a multimodal LLM, because the input is not just the text, but is the picture. So you understand the picture and makes the captioning, reasoning on the picture itself. So that was it. If you have any question, please reach me out either on LinkedIn, either on Instagram, Threads, whatever, or use feedback here. Because feedback, let me show you, feedback, you can actually add what you think about my product, or if you want a new feature and things like that, and all the people or the clients like you will upvote or downvote all this feature, and I will make progress on the product using your suggestion. We will grow together this product. That was it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing experience with aesthetics. See you. Ciao.